Hi there, welcome back. Are you running Docker on a server, a home lab, Proxmox? Then your Proxmox home lab deserves this dashboard. This is the central dashboard. It organizes all your self-hosted services in one clean interface. It's lightweight and Dockerized, easy to deploy using our secret sauce. It's secure. It supports config as code. All your settings are stored in YAML files and version control. One of the things about this dashboard, it's very fast. And the reason is you're working with static pages. And finally, this is most popular with Proxmox Homelab DevOps. By default, this is what you get. And this is what we have. We have arranged it so that we can access our home lab Proxmox from here. And then we have all our Docker managers here. And we have Dockage, Portainer, and again Dockage on two different servers. And then for our documentation, we've got our wiki and our Oracle Cloud wiki. The instructions for this video can be found in our blog. Please have a look down below for the link. Enough said, let's get our hands dirty. This is our Docker server. In here we have two LXC containers which we are using as Docker servers. You need to open the server in the terminal, in our case in the console. We will now create the folder homepage inside our stacks folder inside our OPT folder. Run this command and then open that folder. Run this command. Now we will create a Docker compose file. Please note the name should be compose.yaml, YAML. Let's use our favorite editor. And then we will go to our instructions. Now if you look down here, you will find the Docker compose file. You can copy this or click this and now run this command. Please note, in our channel we have a policy. We never publish a video until we've tested it. So in our case, having tested it, the content will be there. But in your case, it'll be an empty file and you can then just paste. We're not going to do that. We don't want to break our server. Then you will say Control S, Control X. It's more efficient than trying to just say Control X and then you have to say yes and then you have to press Enter. Now we do something unique in our channel. We don't see this in a lot of the other channels. We run a command docker compose pull. This is going to make starting a lot quicker, and if there are issues, you will pick it up now. Now run this command. As you can see, it went quite quickly. We already have the image. In your case, depending on your bandwidth, it could take a few minutes. We will now start this in detached mode. The command is docker compose up-d. This is the command you run. And now it has started. The default page they provide you is quite pretty, but we can make a better job of this by configuring it. If you look in this folder, you'll find the config folder. Now let's open that config folder. Now inside here are all the YAML files that you can edit. Remember, it's config as code. There are a lot of files inside here that we can configure. We can start with the bookmarks file. By editing this file, we're actually editing the bookmarks page. As you can see, this is what they've provided us with. This is the functionality. So go to our instructions and look for this section here. So let's clear this and replace that. Control K to clear, and let's paste that. Now it's detected the change, and now you can see it's provided us with our new content. If I do that, you can see we have our home lab here. We have all our Docker managers here. We have all our wiki servers here. Next, we want to change our settings page and put this content here. I forgot to delete this. Let me just do that. And now you can see we've got a dark background. Let's go back to our instructions. And now we want to configure our services. So that's the command you'll write. You'll edit the services file. So let's copy this. And let's go and edit the service files. And now you see here's Proxmox with the logo. This is now starting to look like a professional dashboard page. So here we can provide services with logos. And here we have provided our links. And it says the top service. That's Proxmox. So this will take us to our Proxmox server. Perfect. Now, in our instructions, we provide you with a link. Just have a look here, right at the top. If you open this link, they provide you with all the information how to configure homepage. We recommend, after installing this application, visit this configuration page and study how to configure it to your requirements. We trust you found this interesting. Please give us a like, subscribe to our channel as we haven't reached our target yet. Now in our channel we have a tradition. We greet you in 6 languages. Thank you, dude. Cheers. Baie dankie, tot ziens. Auf Wiedersehen, mein Freund. Grazie mille, ami, ciao. Jesus sinaderfe. Indaka barkare kulani. Satsri akal. Tomo arigato tomadachi. Sayonara.